よろしくお願いします。お仕事2人とも頑張って。社員は今日も頑張ってるわ。じゃ頑張れペコな、2人とも。社長は楽しみにしてるペコだか。大丈夫かな、ここの使っていいよってなんか言っといて。よし。Muda kan kemarin sakit ya. Itu tahu nggak? Kiara sama Pekora saja tuh sweet banget loh, nanyain gimana, udah sembuh belum, semoga lekas sembuh ya gitu. Baik banget ya. Mudah saja nggak expect bakal dibilangin gitu lah sama mereka. Anyway, we finished the carpet. Carpet wa dekita. Kawaii, that's so cute. Kawaii no dewa. Isn't that cute? Okay. Moona senpai, do you have any wood? No, I don't. Humu. Where can I get wood? Follow me. Follow me! Okay! Moona senpai. Oh! Okay. Yeah, I wanna fly too! Come here. See how friendly we are? See this? ほら、仲良しでしょ。いい。No need to worry. Oh! Oh, so many! Thank you! Awesome! Nice! Hold up. I'm gonna disconnect. I'm gonna do the cheat way. I've already make one. See? I want to make it like this, but you know, this is Kanata senpai. This is Pekora Ch. This is me. I need to remember this one. I need to screenshot that. I forgot. Okay. And this is Asa Koko. This is Koko senpai tail. I'm planning to do that, but I don't know. And I wonder where should I put Kiara? Actually, I wonder where should I put Kiara. I thought I got my... Oh my god, wait, there's a mix-up here. I have Pekora's pickle. 待って、なんかペコラ先輩のもらっちゃった。There's all the Pekora sweat and fingerprints on this one. ペコラ先輩の汗がついてる。It got Pekora sweat and bacteria or whatever on it. Never gonna give it back. No, of course I'm gonna give it back. But oh my god! Yeah! Oh, there's a creeper. Yabe. Moona senpai, you here? Yabe. Oh, yabe! I'm so sorry, I wanted to protect your statue. I just wanted it to go away from her bunny. Wait, where's the brick though? No, it's gone! そっちでは爆発されないようにキアラがね、こっちに来いと連れてきました。Zombie? Is it inside?
I think there's a zombie inside this building.
Kiara!
Maybe... Yabe? Yabe. Moona senpai, do you have an arrow? We got to kill it. Oh no! Oh no! He's coming after Moona senpai! Moona senpai! Oh, she's leading him outside, I think. Oh! Oh! How kind of her! Look, it looks like it's her child or something, and she's like leading her child to kindergarten or something like that. Come here. I know you don't want to go to school today, but you have to. There we go. Nice. Sasuga. Nice.
Kiara, what do you think? The mascot. I don't know how to put Toa senpai and Koko senpai.
Oh! Is that Kanata's thingy? And then this is from Moona? The moon or so? Well, what's that black thing? Ah, that's Bota's gun? Oh! Wait, is that... Oh, wait, that's chicken! That's my chicken! I see it now, because that is the bone, and that is the meat. Oh! Oh! You could give the bunny a dragon's tail for... And for Tova, angel wings for the bunny. so a bunny with angel wings and dragon tail. Yeah, the Asako can plug it.
What are you looking at, Moona? Go away, Moona. This is not good, Moona. Go away, Moona.
結局、ムナ先輩と全然戦ってないじゃん、ほら。がっかりかな、みんな。Are you guys disappointed that I didn't fight at all with Moona senpai? There is no hate. Only love in hololive. We all love each other. There is literally no hate at all. So, I mean, I love Pekora senpai, and it was fun to fight over her and all that. We might do that again sometime, but I don't like how sometimes people like take it too serious. And a lot of people, I think, did take it very seriously. But please don't. Please don't. We can have fun like that, but not if people take it seriously. Because then people are like, why do you hate Moona? Beautiful. Oh, you even see KFP in the background. See? now that KFP looks kind of like sad. Kind of sad. This one is turned out much better somehow. なんかこっちの方がよくね、もう。そっちより。ちょっと残念になっちゃったな、あっち。イエーイ！完成完成！いい感じ。I'm so proud of this one. I like this banner. There is lots of food inside now. And workers. Underage. Underage workers, yeah, but no problem. No, that's just how the rules are in Pekoland. Also, this looks pretty good too now, too. Oh, is she gonna check out inside?
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is nice. Hey, Kiara. Do you want another job letter?
Another job later? Sure! Yes, and I can come to the Japan server more often. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Be in Id Mall. Feel free to build.
KFP. Oh, the first one. Okay, sure. Yay! Will do. Sometime soon. The third one. But she'll have to tell me where it is. I'm not sure where it is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. ウサギに見えなくなった。何この化け物。いい意味だな。いい意味の化け物。Looks like a monster, but in a good meaning, okay? It doesn't look like a bunny anymore. It looks a bit scary. Actually, like especially with the gun pointed right at the whoever enters. The gun is pointed right at you. 怖いよ。Oh, oh, it comes out of the gun. That's so smart. Oh my god, that bunny must be suffering. It's like, please kill me. Please end my suffering. Just kidding, it's beautiful, but...
Okay, let's... be together. Yay!
See you soon! Yay! Bye bye! ありがとうございました! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!